Hello, welcome to Prism Art TV. For today's video, we're going to make DIY Christmas card using printmaking technique. Are you guys ready? First, let's have a scissor and foam sheets ready. We're going to cut out the snow shape for the bottom. Then, we're going to use white glue to glue the foam board to the bottom cardboard. Here goes the Christmas trees in the middle, and I'm going to add a frame around this card. Here goes the moon and extra Christmas trees on both sides. Also, I got these snowflake foam stickers. I'm going to add them in the background. When all the foam sheets are placed to the cardboard, we're now going to use the pencil to add in details. Make sure you press down the pencil hard so it leave a mark on foam sheets. I'm going to add a snowman and my puppy May. Once drawing is all done, let's get 2 block printing inks. I'm going to start off with red first. Using a roller, put the ink only on the half side. Get white paper ready on the bottom and lay the cardboard on top and use the clean roller to push down the foam sheets evenly. Then here goes the green, same process one more time. We all done. Hope you guys had fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week.